Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 定 step by step. But first, I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. 定定 to set, to fix, to decide. 定 for example, 一定 must, surely. Now check this sentence. You must do something wrong. 你一定做错了什么事。你一定做错了什么事。You must do something wrong. 你一定做错 wrong 了什么事 something. 你一定做错了什么事。你一定做错了什么事。定 in cursive. 定 to set, to fix, to decide. 一定 must, surely. You must do something wrong. 你一定做错了什么事。Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 定. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.